Welcome back to the YouTube channel FFVMD or All at One, FFVMD, and I am Johnny unmarried Papa from California, America, and today I am going to read the rest part of research paper of for All at One FFVMD. And the topic of research paper was infrared electroluminescence coming from GSN diode heterojunction grown by molecular beam epitaxy method. So let's go to the next section of this research. The XRD indicates a layer thickness of 100 to 110 nanometer confirmed by a stylus profilometry and layer strain parameters of EXX equals to 0.1308 and EZZ equals to 0.009. Rutherford backscattering spectrometer measurement RBS showed that the atomic percentage of SN was 8%. By standard photolithography, LED were fabricated by evaporating metals onto patterned photoresist followed by lift-off. For the electrical contacts, on top of the P-type G0.9 to SN 0.08 layer, rectangular meshes of Al metal 300 nanometer with individual mesh a strip width of 8 micrometer and an area filling factor of 51% were thermally evaporated. Full wafer coverage of TI-PD AGAU 10, 30, 350 nanometer was thermally evaporated for the bottom contact to the NGE substrate as shown in figure 1. Individual devices were clipped using a diamond scriber to dice surface. Area of approximately 2 mm into 2 mm and 1 mm into 1 mm. Here is the figure is shown. Keithley 2400 source meter was used to measure electrical dark current versus voltage or IV characteristics. Data was prepared using data and signal interface RS-232 controlled by LabVIEW software. All diodes showed conventional rectifying characteristic at and below room temperature for typical device. Here figure 2, we show the figure 2. Current voltage characteristics of G0.9 SN 0.8 PN junction LED diode at varying temperature showing good rectifying behavior even at room temperature. Electroluminescence spectral measurement is done using a thermo-Nicolette Nexus 870 Fourier transform infrared spectrometer (FTIR) in a step scan mode at a resolution of 16 per centimeter using GESN LED device as the signal source. Conducting silver paste was used to affix the GESN device to a copper heat sink mount. Wire bonds of Au metal were used to connect the P-side metal electrodes to Au pads deposited on ceramic carriers. The Au pads were connected to lids of a cryostat using 4N purity indium as low temperature soldier. The device were cooled down to temperature of 100 Kelvin in a closed loop liquid acid cryostat equipped with a thallium bromide iodide KRS-5 optical windows.